In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dataset with Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a dataset to your page so you can connect your site's elements to content stored in your Wix CMS collections. Think of a dataset as the bridge between your page and your data. It doesn't show on your live site. It simply controls which collection the page talks to, how many items to load, and how that data flows. Start in the Wix editor with the page open where you want to use your data. On the left side of the editor, look for the plus icon, often labeled Add. Click that to open the panel of items you can place on your site. This is your gateway to all elements and tools, and it's where Wix keeps the CMS features you'll need. Inside the Add panel, find and click CMS. This reveals the tools that work with your site's content, including the dataset. If you don't immediately see the CMS, try expanding categories or using the search within the panel. The CMS section is where you connect your visual design to structured content, like blog posts, products, or any custom collection you've created. Next, click Dataset. This adds a dataset connector to your page. You'll typically see a small icon or a settings panel appear. Don't worry if you don't notice anything visually striking on the canvas. Datasets are largely behind the scenes. What matters is the settings you're about to configure. When the dataset settings open, choose your collection. Use the dropdown to pick the exact collection that holds the items you want to display or work with on this page. This could be something built in, like blog content, or a custom collection you've already set up for things like team members, FAQs, or portfolios. Selecting the right collection ensures your page pulls the correct fields, such as titles, images, and descriptions during connections. Finally, click Create to confirm. Wix will attach this dataset to your page and link it to the collection you selected. From here, you're ready for the fun part, connecting elements. For example, you can select a text box, image, or repeater and use the Connect to Data option to bind it to fields from your dataset. A quick tip, keep your data organized with clear field names. And if you plan to edit content through the live site, remember that dataset permissions and modes can be adjusted later in settings. That's it. The dataset is now set up and ready to power your page with dynamic content.